Well, hello there, and welcome to Guitar Builder's Life Hack, the show where I show you some of the things that I've made to make guitar building easier for myself. I hope you'll enjoy this show. Let me know in the comments below if you did, and if you think any of these things that I'm showing you are useful to you. Let's go and take a look. So, if you have one of these, and these parts right here get a little bit loose, it's not really usable anymore because this is supposed to line up perfectly with that side, and this is supposed to be at a 45-degree angle. Yeah, so if they get loose, they're unusable. But what you can do, especially if they get loose, because then it's easy, you can take the actual water gauge out and you can use it as a tiny little surface measurer, and it can be used, for example, on an acoustic guitar's bridge blank to make sure it's perfectly flat and square, or maybe a headstock if you've made a guitar and you know everything is perfect and you need to level out the headstock to make sure it's perfectly flat. You can use one of these tiny little ones for that. Or if you're going to cut the back angle of a Les Paul-like guitar, you can square it up and you can use this to make sure it's perfectly leveled side to side. It's a very, I mean, if you have the tool and it breaks, why not take it out and use it? It comes out perfectly fine and you don't need to do anything to it. If you want to, you can, smooth out and remove the glue and make it, neat and nice. It seems to be my catchphrase. I don't know. And you could glue in some cool pieces of wood or something and make it into a beautiful tube. If you're one of those that like that, I know that some of you do. Well, there's the show. I hope you liked it. Let me know if you did. And also, if you wouldn't mind giving this a thumbs up, or maybe even subscribing. That will let me know if this is appreciated and if you want to see more of this. But until next time, see ya.